Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this simple fascinator head wrap again, just with pieces of akara. So get yours ready, let's learn together. 1 yard, half yard, you're good to go. You can see mine is not even up to 1 yard, but is somehow maybe some inches more than half yard. All right, so bringing it together this way. All right, bringing it together this way. Then place it on your head and bring everything to the front. Bring everything to the front. Very simple, very easy. If not for the tutorial, just 1 minute, you're done. All right, so I'm going to knot just once. Make sure it's very, very firm. All right, make sure it's very, very firm. Then this one that is up, just spread it. Just spread it this way, making sure you're not using the... Alright, so make sure you're not using the wrong side of it. So just spread it this way, then bring it here and tuck it in. Just tuck it in here. If you don't mind, you can pin if you actually want. Okay, so just tuck it in there. Then this other side too, just bring it down here. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Open here and just fix it. Just tuck it in there, or you can use pin as well to hold it. All right, so arrange it and having it all the way this side. So here now, just stretch this one out, spread it out, spread it out, stretch it out this way. Then coming here now, just take a little inch inside this way. Just take a little inch inside. Then placing your hand inside, just push. Do as if you push that inside. Just push it out a little bit, while you hold the tail end, and then take everything to the back this way. Take everything to the back this way. Then get your office pin. Get your office pin and hold it. Then we are coming to arrange the front now. You have something like Zara cap. Is to keep arranging this place, arranging it, keep arranging it until you get that cap shape. So you'll be having your Zara cap, fascinator Zara cap. That is what changing until you get the desired shape. So you can see what we have here now, like Zara cap. So I target Zara cap fascinator. How about it? So this is what the back look like. So you can remove this and you have it all this way. Beautiful, cute, elegant. You can see how beautiful it is. So you can decorate further by placing your just place your accessory there. So this is what you have by beautifying it. Isn't it cute? Isn't it elegant? Just checking it out. Using your color to transform it to what? Fascinator head wrap. This is what I call Zara cap fascinator head wrap. So you can see it. You can see. Alright, let me show you another style you can design from it. So if you don't want it this way, just remove the pin here. Just remove the pin. If you don't want the Zara cap, just remove the pin. Then you can flatten it. Just flatten it. Can flatten it this way. Flatten it this way, then take everything to the back and just pin it just like the first style. Just take it to the back, just off its pin, and then you pin it. So you have it all flat this way. Just arrange it and make sure it's all flat. So just flatten it and you can have it all this way. Okay, then place your accessories anywhere that you think that is suitable and comfortable for you. Just place your accessories and you're good to go. So this one and the first style, which one do you prefer? Drop your comments on the comment section. Please, the person you're hearing our voice is Demi Igele Empire. Please do well to share my video if actually what you're learning is making sense. Share my videos to your friends to see, to your family, to your group. Let them see it and also learn. Alright, so thank you for watching. I so much appreciate you. See you in my next video. Love you.